Let us begin with their food. Wheat, rice, barley and dates were the main items of their food. Their food also included meat, fish, fruits and vegetables. Clothing. The excavated statues, the pictures on the seals, and the remains of cloth show that the Harappan people used to weave cloth. Their dress consisted of a knee-length garment and an upper garment. Ornaments. Many types of ornaments have been found in excavations. They are made of gold, silver, copper, precious stones, as also shells and seeds. Men and women both used multi-stranded necklaces, rings, armlets and waistbands. Women wore bangles right up to their upper arm. The Harappan people used mirrors made of shiny copper sheets. Recreation. Dance and music were important means of recreation. One of the seals depicts a dance. Dice used for board games have also been found. Remains of a variety of children's toys have been found. The toys were made of clay. They include carts, bird-shaped whistles, rattles and figures of various animals. Religious ideas. The various figures on the Harappan seals and the Harappan statues give us a fair idea about their religious beliefs. Many seals bear the pictures of trees and animals which indicate that nature worship may have been common. Many statues of Mother Goddess have been found. This indicates that Mother Goddess was also worshipped. Worship of Pashupati and fire worship also seem to have been a practice. The Harappan people buried their dead. Sometimes coffins were used for this purpose. Food, ornaments, weapons and other objects were also buried with the dead. Occasionally, dead bodies were cremated. Seals. Seals used by the Harappan people have been found. They are mostly square-shaped. Man-like figures and animal figures are engraved on them. There appears to be some writing in pictographs at the top of the seal, but we have not yet been able to decipher the script. What were their occupation and industries? The major occupations were agriculture and trade. Agriculture. The crops cultivated were wheat, barley, sesame, rice, legumes and cotton. Along with agriculture, another occupation was animal husbandry. Pottery. Pottery was an important occupation. Red terracotta pots feature prominently among the remains of Harappa civilization. There are designs of leaves and flowers and animal motifs on some of the pots. Black color has been used for the designs and figures. The pots were baked in kilns. The Harappan people made pots and vessels from copper and silver too. Textiles. In the Harappan settlements, spinning yarn, weaving and dyeing cloth were large-scale industries. Woolen cloth was also produced.